everyone, I'm Angela Hockman, and welcome to In the Kitchen on STL TV. I am very excited, if you can't tell, to be back in the studio and look forward to highlighting the amazing restaurant scene in St. Louis. Now, today's guest not only serves up soul food like fried chicken, shrimp, and fish on wheels in a food truck, but he has recently expanded his business to a brick-and-mortar store over on Delmar. My special guest today is Eric Vails of the Vails Brothers Restaurant. Eric, how's it going?
It's going fine. It's going fine. Everything's going great.
Good. Thank you so much for being here. I know it's a busy time for you in the restaurant world. Tell me what we're cooking up today.
Well, today we're going to do a St. Louis style fried shrimp. That's what we're going to do. We're going to teach you how to batter bread.
I've never battered before,
St.
Eric.
Louis style fried shrimp. It's a tradition that St. Louis people has been loving for years.
Yeah.
They love their fried shrimp, and it goes back to an old restaurant that everybody know of. It's called Sarah Lou's.
Okay.
See, Sarah Lou's was a little bar and grill on St. Louis Avenue in Sarah. And the lady that I know was the manager who took it over. Her name was Jean Owens, and she had a great recipe for fried shrimp. People would line up every day. She had cancer in the 90s, and then she passed away. And then soon after, the business kind of folded. But her and my mother were great friends, and we decided to pick up the mantle and carry her legacy on, serving fantastic fried shrimp.
That's an amazing story, Eric. So tell me, many of us have had fried shrimp before. What makes it St. Louis style?
You know, because St. Louis has a light breading, not a real cornmeal breading, but a light flour breading, and they're crispy, and they're Gulf shrimp.
Okay.
See, the importance is that we don't sell farm-raised shrimp. Farm-raised shrimp is for, I don't know who sells farm. I don't sell them.
Not you.
No.
That's all we know. That's
we go
okay.
to the Gulf and we get some great Gulf shrimp.
Incredible.
And they're sweet, they're soft, and they're easy. They're fantastic. So,
Well, Eric, I'm hungry now. Let's get cooking.
you know what? Well, that's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna teach you today. Cause we're in the kitchen, right? We're in the kitchen.
We're in the kitchen.
So we're in the kitchen. We're gonna teach you today to bread shrimp.
Okay.
And also I want to make sure that we all know that you all can follow us on social media.
Absolutely.
At Vails Brothers at 314. We're looking to expand soon, hopefully.
Okay.
But the food truck and the restaurant is really keeping us busy.
That's
So
awesome.
now, let's get into it then. Let's get into the breading process of it, then we can talk about the restaurant and everything. Get your gloves.
Yeah. Oh, get my gloves.
Grab you
This
some
is
gloves.
happening. Okay. So let's see here. And again, make sure you are following the Vails Brothers Restaurant on all things social. Truthfully, that's how you're going to find out where the heck their amazing food truck is, which is on the road many days a week.
Yeah.
I understand the food truck's name is Bella.
Yes, that's her. Me and her have a special relationship. I spent many nights breaking her down, gutting her out, and building her up. It was definitely a task. I didn't get any loans or anything, so I kind of did everything out of my pocket. So it took a year and a half to get done, but we did it.
Well, you're operating from passion, Eric.
That's right, we did.
So let's get into the
Okay, now
shrimp.
we're gonna start here. Now, these are the shrimp that haven't been deveined, or they've been deveined, but they haven't been peeled and cleaned yet.
Who's gonna do that?
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. So
Okay,
now,
I'm ready.
so one thing we also do is let's slide this over here. Now, what you can do is I want you to pick up the shrimp and I
Okay.
want you to peel it.
Peel it straight. You're really putting me to work here.
Yeah. Okay, so now start from the inside. There you go.
Oh
Good.
my gosh.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
Never peeled shrimp. This is quite the culinary expedition you're taking me on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then you
I
want.
don't know if I'd get a job at Vails Brothers.
And then what you want to do is you want to peel the entire shrimp.
Okay.
But see, what we do at Vails Brothers that nobody else do. See this last little bit right here? Mm-hmm. We peel that shell off too.
Okay.
The
I
last
think I got
shell.
it. The last
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah, the last
So
shell.
we don't leave too
no,
much
what you
here.
did,
It's pretty
no,
bare.
you pulled the whole tail off. We're gonna put this one right back here. You pull the whole tail off. We're gonna see if you can peel them and leave the tail on. So
Okay, I told you I've never battered before.
You know what?
This is
you never.
education.
It's learning, right? Now these sizes of the
try
shrimp.
another.
The sizes of the shrimp are. Now once you peel it, peel from the side, from the top,
Okay.
and then once you get down to the
Wow.
tail, go to the inside.
There's quite an art to this. Where did you learn how to do all this? Is this passed down from a family member? Is this culinary school?
No,
Tell me.
working in restaurants. I worked in Dirt Off and Hearts, Hula Hands, places like that.
Okay, yeah.
So my restaurant experience goes back over 30 years. I actually started working with calicos as bussing tables and started cooking
Really
for
good
them.
bread there.
Yeah, back in the day. So now what we do is when you then when you peel them, you get them like this. Now these particular sizes right here are called U15s. These are called U15s.
U15s, like the letter U.
Yeah, the smaller the number, is the bigger the shrimp.
Okay.
Smaller the number, the bigger the shrimp.
Got it. Great. Okay.
All right. And so now you got them peeled.
Look at me.
And you're good. And so now what I do is I don't come today to do them to devein them, but we would take a knife and we would split it down here and we would have them devein. And that's how we do it.
Okay.
We're gonna bread them next.
Absolutely.
That's our next step. But you try to bread them.
Can you break down the breading process? And when we come back from break, we'll jump right in?
Sure. Okay, the breading process is this. We have a flour here. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to take the shrimp, dip it into the flour first.
Got it. Seasoned flour, correct?
Seasoned flour. Now, you can season the flour with anything you want. You can season it with Old Bay seasoning. We have a secret mixture that we put into our shrimp. We can't tell anybody. You know,
Not even
cooks
me.
always
I
wanna
thought we were
keep it
friends, Eric. Come on.
People always want to keep secrets and stuff like this, but it's just a seasoned blend that we use in the store. And we dust them like once, then we drop them in the egg wash.
Okay.
And then we redust them again.
That's it.
Yep, and then
Flour, egg wash, flour again, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, well, we are going to come back in just a moment. Stick around because we are going to get right into the breading of the shrimp. We'll see you soon.
Pre-diabetes.
Pre-diabetes? I don't have time to eat right or exercise. I'm a busy mom.
Oh, you're a busy mom.
Yeah.
This is great news. Busy moms never get pre-diabetes.
Wait, what?
Let me just... Yeah, this is all the people at risk for pre-diabetes, and way over here, busy moms. No?
Hey, let's check out this park. Oh, wow, that's really cool. To find a great local park or forest near you, go to discovertheforest.org.
Okay, welcome back. I'm Angela Hockman, and I've still got my friend Eric Vails from Vails Brothers Restaurant right here by my side. He is giving me the scoop on making St. Louis-style fried shrimp. Eric, let's get to battering.
all right, now take your first shrimp.
Okay.
Dust it in the flour.
Okay. Take the shrimp.
Dust it in the flour.
Dust in the flour. Press it in once.
Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to use one hand. Use one hand. Use one hand. And then, okay, now put it back in the flour a little bit.
Okay.
Now grab it by the tail.
Okay.
With your right hand.
Oh my gosh, there is a process to this.
Okay,
I love it.
Now, put it in the egg
The
wash.
whole thing?
Yeah, whole thing.
Ooh.
Get it down in there. Get it in there. Okay.
Look at it swimming around. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now what you want to do is lift it up and let it drain. Okay. Now go back to the flour.
Back to the flour. With
With
my
your
right
left-
hand
with your
still?
left hand. With your left hand.
This is like the hokey pokey. The
Yeah,
right
you just,
hand, the
what
left
you want to
hand.
do. So if you're breading a lot of them now, you got to keep one hand dry, one hand wet.
I mean, how do you do this in a fast when the people at the restaurant are ordering,
Well, you know
the
what?
food truck's blown up? This is
Yeah, well,
it's a
the
process.
food truck is definitely a busy space. This is probably one of the hardest things I've ever did in my life, but it's fun. It's busy. Now smash them down a little bit.
Smash them down,
You know,
okay.
And then
I press it?
Yep, press it down, press it down.
Perfect.
Just flour. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
If
Press
I don't
it
have
down.
flour all over me, it looks like I didn't do anything, you know? It's like rite of passage.
Okay, yeah. So now we're gonna do that one.
Okay.
And now we're gonna and that's how we do it.
Ooh, this is how I do. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Hold it 1 second. I'm gonna grab some wax paper.
Okay,
And we're gonna
perfect.
sit on the wax paper. 1 second.
Awesome. So shrimp is only one of the amazing many restaurant items that
right.
Eric's featured.
Okay, and you lay it down.
Okay, we're gonna layer on down.
All right, now you're gonna do another one. Do another one.
Oh, another one. Okay.
Because we're gonna, everybody gonna have a little snack. We're gonna make sure everybody get a taste.
We gotta feed the crew. I mean, that's really why we're all here. So I did the left hand,
Yep.
covered it with flour, seasoned it. Right hand, pick up.
Right.
Swim around a little bit in
Turn
that
it over.
delightful egg wash.
Come back.
And we're back. Left hand, you see that?
Yeah. Hey,
Could I get a job now at Vails Brothers?
You know, we're gonna start you on dishes.
Okay, I can do
Everybody
dishes.
starts on dishes.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah, and so we also, you know, what else we do at Vails Brothers too, as you continue to bread them, and dip it in the flour good. We do turkey legs.
Do you really? Is that on the menu every day, or is that a special occasion?
It's on the menu on Saturdays only.
Saturdays only.
Saturdays
Food
only.
truck and the restaurant?
Well, just the restaurant.
Okay.
You know, everything I can't do on the food truck, I can do in the restaurant. Well, basically, we smoke turkey legs for 24 hours. They smoking at low temperatures, and then we stuff them. Put a little more flour on it.
Wait, okay, so how do you stuff them?
This
What goes into
this
it?
we make dirty rice. It's a New Orleans style. We get dirty rice for one, and then we have this crawfish macaroni that I make.
Crawfish macaroni?
Crawfish macaroni, and what we do, we put it right on top. If you go to my Instagram page and you go to my Facebook page, you can see some of the highlights of the turkey legs. And then we got this one turkey leg we do. It's called the shrimp Alfredo turkey leg. It's dirty rice with the shrimp Alfredo sauce poured over top of it. And they're selling like hotcakes.
That sounds amazing. How do you come up with these concoctions? I noticed your restaurant features a very unique menu. It's not just like fried chicken or shrimp or fish, but it is like, it's got this unique twist. There's a flavor you might not always expect. Is that your doing?
I wanted to give them more than, I wanted to go over the top a little bit. I didn't want to just be just a regular fish and shrimp anymore. So, you know, we definitely do some Southern style fried catfish, but my main focus was on St. Louis style food.
Okay.
Because, you know, here in St. Louis, people don't think we have a style of food, but we actually do.
Oh, the food scene here is just
So we want
spectacular.
to really have a St. Louis style food, and we want to be able to create something where you can come here and say, oh, this is St. Louis style food.
And
So
because you and your brother do this together, do you two kind of brainstorm, oh, this will be a fun sauce?
You know what though? Definitely, we definitely do that, because what happened is my brother, he actually came up with the shrimp recipe.
Did he?
Yes, he's the one that developed the shrimp recipe and the tartar sauce.
Okay, and I
So-
understand it's a special homemade tartar sauce that
Yes, ma'am.
maybe you'll tell me what the secret ingredient is?
Yes, ma'am, it is. You know what? It's our special seasoning mix we put in there also.
Okay.
So that's probably the best.
We'll
I
leave
can
that
do.
right there.
Yeah, because it's really like a dip. It's really like
it looks
a tartar
really
sauce dip.
good.
People say they want to eat it with their French fries, with their
sure.
chicken. So they mix it up a lot. And so,
I mean, these are looking good, if I do say so myself.
you know what though?
I mean,
You're not doing bad at all. You're actually doing pretty good.
Oh my
You're doing
goodness.
pretty good. You know,
So, Eric,
it's a little small container. You're making a little mess, but it's okay.
I mean, that's how we do in the kitchen here. If you're
And
not
so
making a
my,
mess, you're not working hard.
But my number one seller there is the shrimp and chicken combos with the honey hot sauce. My honey hot sauce is my number one sauce. I've been making this sauce for about over 15 years now.
And that's in these beautiful bottles that you can actually buy on location at the restaurant. Can you buy them at the food truck?
Not the food truck.
Okay.
Just the restaurant.
Show up at the restaurant in Del Mar, get yourself a bottle of this yummy honey hot sauce.
5942 Del Mar. 5942 just east of the Loop.
Almost finished.
Just east of the Loop.
And so, Eric, say it is a very long day at the restaurant and you are hungry. What are you possibly going to cook up for yourself? What's this thing that you're craving?
You know, most of the time, I try to eat once a week at the restaurant. Try not to eat every day, because of course, you know, your food is good. So,
So
once a week,
good.
I usually would eat probably some catfish, some fried catfish, and probably some of my crawfish macaroni.
Well, if I was going there today, I would order your chicken and waffles, hands down.
Yes.
I feed my 1-year-old chicken and waffles, and she loves it, so maybe I'll bring the baby there.
Okay.
Gosh, we're on to our last shrimp. So, Eric, why don't you tell everyone where we can keep up with you? If I want to know where the beautiful Bella food truck is going to be, where do I go?
Well, you can come down. On the food truck, you have to check the website. The website on the food truck, because of the food truck it travels in different places, so they kind of unannounced. But what you can do is you can actually follow us on Instagram at Vails Brothers 314, follow the food truck. And at the restaurant, we basically, our hours are from from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. from Tuesday through Thursdays, and Fridays and Saturdays we from 11 a.m. to 9.
Awesome. Eric, let's pop one of these in so maybe we can enjoy
Yeah.
a fried catfish or a fried shrimp or two.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Okay.
Since you got them all out of here.
Made quite a mess.
All
I like
right.
to leave my mark here in the kitchen.
All right, we're gonna dust them a little more with a little more flour.
Okay.
A little more flour, right?
And these don't take long to make because you make everything on your food truck fresh, made to order
Yes.
for the customer in real time.
I don't have prepared food on my food truck. I cook everything on the food truck.
You're a hardworking man. So is it you and your brother rocking the food truck every day?
Yeah, you know, my brother, my daughters. I have an older daughter who's
Family event.
older daughter, and I have a younger daughter who supports me. And I have some great employees that's working for me right now.
So important.
Yeah, they really are.
Eric, it smells to be about finished.
Yes, everything is coming right along. We got a few more
Okay.
there.
Well, I've got an empty plate here. I mean, I say it's just about time to eat.
Yeah, it is.
So how long do you cook each one? Like
You know
30
what though?
seconds, 45?
Probably about a minute and a half, maybe.
Okay.
A minute and a half. You have to cook it.
Gotcha.
And,
You can kind of tell when it's brown, when it's ready. You can hear the sizzle. You can see it browning. That's your cue.
Yeah, and it's important to actually make sure you drain your seafood and drain your fried food.
Good to
You
know.
Don't just throw it on a plate and eat it. What you should do is you should probably put it on some paper towels.
Gotcha.
You know, and turn it over and let it drain.
Okay.
You got a
Yeah,
few
that's
more
right.
in
Then
there.
you're going to get some extra stuff you didn't really count on if you just put it right on the plate. So always drain it right when you take it out of the fryer. That's good to know. So this shrimp is among one of the many delicious menu items that you can find at Vails Brothers Restaurant. So Eric, should we take a bite?
You know what though? Sure. You know what though? They should be just cool enough.
Okay.
Choose you one of your shrimps you made. Go right ahead.
I'm so proud of myself. Can we just take a moment and?
You did good.
Oh, well, thank you. Okay. Well, here. Why don't you take one?
Okay.
Let's cheers.
All right.
Whew, shall we dip in the homemade tartar sauce?
All right.
Let's take a bite of our work. Oh my gosh. Eric, I've had fried shrimp. I have never had anything remotely like this. You are absolutely incredible. You can find this, like I said, among many other delicious items on the food truck or at their restaurant located at 5942 Del Mar. Make sure you follow them on all things social media. You won't want to miss out on where the food truck's going to be, what specials they have going on, and everything else.
Yes.
Eric, thank you so much.
No
I
problem.
learned a ton. I had a blast. And again, I'm really proud of us. This was teamwork.
Enjoy.
Oh,
Enjoy-
it's so
enjoy
good.
the shrimp.
Okay. Cheers, my friend. That is going to do it for this episode of In the Kitchen. I'm Angela Hockman. You've been watching In the Kitchen on STL TV. Stick around for future episodes on the rockin' St. Louis restaurant scene. We will see you next time.